Hi everyone, and welcome to another episode of Cooking with Jeff, the 3D Chef. Today I'll be making a delicious green pepper turkey rice casserole. I hope you enjoy it. This video is best viewed in virtual reality using a headset such as the Oculus Quest 2, but you can also watch along on your regular computer as well. So without further ado, let's get started. The first step is to turn on our Instant Pot on sauté mode. And make sure it's on normal, not high or low. We'll add a little bit of olive oil to the pot. Now that the oil is hot, I'm going to add my ground turkey into the pot. You don't want that paper. I forgot to buy onion today, so instead I'm going to be using a bit of dried onion powder, which is part of this Trader Joe's Everything But the Bagel blend. So I'll shake some of that on to the turkey. We're going to let that saute for about 5 minutes or so. Next I'm going to add my garlic. I'm going to let that saute for about 30 seconds with all the garlic. Next we'll add our bell peppers, green bell peppers. We'll add our diced tomatoes or crushed tomatoes, our tomato sauce. Add our chicken broth. Got a cup and a half of chicken broth. Our Worcestershire sauce, 1 tablespoon, and our salt and pepper. I'm going to give that pot a stir. Now we're going to add the rice right on top, but we're not going to stir the pot. We're just going to add it on top so the layer of vegetables and turkey and sauce is at the bottom. It's important to have the layering because if the rice touches the bottom while it's heating up, it will burn. We just add all our rice right on top. And then do a gentle stabbing motion with the spoon to make sure the rice is submerged in the liquid. But we don't want to stir it all the way to the bottom. So for our lid, make sure your sealing ring is in place and around the metal piece, and for the top, make sure your sealing dial is on and close the lid up. Turn the seal dial to seal. Turn off the saute setting. Put it on high pressure manual pressure cook for 4 minutes. Now the pot will start heating up inside the pot. When it's come to pressure, you'll see that the little metal valve on the top will rise to the top. And then a few more minutes later, it will start counting down from the time that we set, which was 4 minutes. After that cook time is done, it will beep. And because we turned off the keep warm setting, it will shut off. And then we want to just allow the pressure cooker to naturally cool and do a natural release for 12 minutes. And then we'll do a pressure release, a quick release of the remaining pressure. Then basically we'll just stir in the spinach and some frozen peas and we'll be ready to serve. So the Instant Pot has finished its cooking cycle and now has done a natural release for 12 minutes. So now we'll release the pressure the rest of the way. So open the lid carefully away from yourself. Give it a bit of a shake so the dribbles don't land on your feet. Add your spinach in the pot. Give that a stir. The spinach will wilt in the rice mixture. Now I'm going to add the frozen peas. So I'll put the glass lid on and I'll let that sit for about 5 minutes. It looks really good. Let's put some in a bowl. Looks good. Let's give it a taste test. It's very good. For more recipes, please click the subscribe button below. Hope you have a wonderful day. And please let me know what you'd like me to cook next. Hope you have a great one. Don't forget to subscribe and have a great day. Bye for now.